Introduction to DTP. DTP is a protocol, I believe it's called Dynamic Trunking Protocol. Okay, what is the benefit of DTP? It's a protocol which does the job automatically for you, or you can do configure manually trunk port. Basically, switch port can be manually configured to form the trunk. Okay, switches port can be manually configured to form the trunk. Basically, we need to go into the port, and when you say you are a trunk, switch can be also be configured to negotiate and establish a trunk link with the connected peer. So either the other way is that they can actually negotiate these two ports. For example, these two ports can negotiate and they can become a part of the port, part of the trunk as well. Dynamic trunking protocol message managed trunking negotiation. DTP is a Cisco proprietary and it is enabled by default. If the port on the neighbor switch is configured as a trunk mode that support DTP to manage the negotiation, default DTP on the Cisco is say dynamic auto. I will show you in a minute. So basically, if you want to form a trunk between the two ports automatically, what you can do, you can see is dynamic auto. If dynamic auto is access in trunk, it will become trunk, okay, or access. So basically, this on the Cisco's this is switches, switch port mode, dynamic auto, dynamic desirable, switch port mode trunk, and non-negotiate. So let's see what these commands are available or not. Okay, you see switch port mode access dynamic trunk. If I say dynamic, I have two options, auto and desirable. Set trunk mode auto, dynamic negotiation parameter to auto or desirable. Auto mean if somebody asking you to become a trunk, you become a trunk. If somebody is not asking you to become a trunk, you will never become a trunk. With the desirable, because DTP is an exchange, it asking other people to become a trunk as well. So there we can configure the trunk two-way. One, manually going into the port and say you are the trunk. For example, interface F0120, I say switch port mode trunk. You see trunk. I'm forcing this interface to become a trunk. Clear? So you see this 22, I am saying you are trunk. Or what I can do is mode dynamic auto. If I say auto, and the other side I say auto as well. Now both are auto, the trunk will not form. And you will see our communication will be broken from here to there. So what I have done on this port and this port on the switches, both the Singapore switches and the London switches, what I have done, I said you are auto. Now the ports are up, but you can see the communication is not happening because auto will never be exchanged the DTP information. So these trunk will never comes up. Okay. So for example, show interface F1022 switch port. Uh, 024, I think. Okay, you see, it's dynamic auto. When both sides are auto, they do not exchange any DTP protocol, and hence what happens, the communication will be broken. They will never become a trunk. If I do show interface trunk, so you can see I do not have a trunk. And that is why one of the reasons for troubleshooting point of view, my communication is broken. We need to have minimum at least trunk. Okay, you will see when I say, so either force one side to become a trunk, another side become auto. In this situation, trunk will be also formed as well. So what you see, you can combine for the practice reasons some different combination. One side auto, another side desirable, one side auto, both side auto. See the result, does it trunk form? One side trunk, forcefully trunk or statically trunk, another side auto, another side desirable, then when you configure this, you will see the trunk will come up or not. So now you can see these ports are green. Now my communication should be restored. Look at this. So now the communication, if these ports, one side is auto. You see 22, this is trunk, and this side is okay, it's just auto, so desirable. This is auto. So this side is auto and this side is trunk. Okay, we said trunk. Mode is administrative mode is trunk. If I configure one side desirable, another side auto, communication still work, but it is broken right now because it's negotiation the parameters which we just configured. So auto will never work. Auto desirable will work. Desired desirable will work, and auto and trunk desirable will work. So this is a table it shows you. Clear?